Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with tonight's show. So I watched Pep Guardiola press conference where he talk about the title race. So Pep when he talk say finally say Arsenal don't lose, get Arsenal don't drop points. So the title race is now on because those before in the fear say, with the way which day this Arsenal go lose, Arsenal need to drop point. If you see the way the guy they talk, because I watched the video, watch everything, even for the title now, what did they even put there? Finally, Arsenal drop point. He could analyze Arsenal, say, Arsenal lost and not just losing, they considered 2 goals. Because say it is very, very difficult for Arsenal to concede. Yes, but say yes, in the happy say now, we will see they don't do 4 points behind Arsenal. The title race is on, and the expectation is that Manchester City will pursue Arsenal, catch Arsenal, go overtake Arsenal, go that their lengthy run wey they do because dem feel say they don't dey gbera now. Yeah, they don't get Donnarumma, they've gotten a short stopper. I get so the momentum is with them, but here is the international break. This Man City you are seeing, they are just 1, 2, 3 key injuries away from a disaster. Get you see, say when season starts, we pack squad depth, so we pack as the squad depth now water. But you see now, we don't see our squad depth again. When we say manager, they look bench, like you know, we bring in player, we don't get that depth again. Get for you to know, say sometimes you need miracle. We your players not to get that injury. One of our community members enter my DM, call the time today, say, Sir Chubs, say, he can study that game we will play. So, this is our team. If everybody come back, we are unbeatable. If everybody come back, just imagine, say, because I don't put and think and say, imagine, say, people know they can't be available. Baba, go there untouchable. But that's the beauty of the league. That's why it is always called a marathon. Now, Pep can't even talk, say, in players tell and say they prefer to play Liverpool than to the players now. When I first said that, I was like, why they not go prefer to play Liverpool? Liverpool are not playing like as a unit. They are not cautious. They own ahead. Maybe they only go front because that's why they chop that 3. You get could have been 4 or 5 saves. Even that penalty they miss. China last time I want to chop 3-0. When was the last time it happened? You get even the 2 where we concede safe. When was the last time somebody scored those 2? No, they that easy. You get even though you remember the last time, you go look after that last time when again it happened. You get in the last 40 something games, how many times we don't chop 2-0, all those kind of things. So that one said they say my energy don't come back yet. I don't the bad be what happened between me and Sunderland. I don't get my normal self. So that's what it's supposed to be. I can't wait for the international break to come back. Even I can't watch this video will go viral. Man City fans, so they plenty they interview them one by one, they talk. Then they believe say Arsenal go bottle this league. Say this season. Say na normal level, say they no shake. Say Arsenal dey 4 points ahead, they no shake, nothing. Say Arsenal go do normal, they go bottle the league. You say Man City go still come ahead of them. In fact, this particular one say Arsenal always bottle it at the end of the season. After cutting the Gunners lead to 4 points, Man City fans are like they are sure that is what will happen. That's why I tell you when I talk, say that is the expectation. Now we need to rearrange the scripts, rewrite history, get, and let them know that it will not happen again now. This time around, you see this title race, you know go dey between Arsenal versus Manchester City like when we meet. No. Now how we take play against other people and how Manchester City take play against other people. Now what we will see. Now, make we not still rule out Liverpool. You know, say at some point of this season, we rule out Man City. Now only Arsenal and Liverpool they're going to talk about. You see now say they don't rule out Liverpool. Now Arsenal and Man City, the constant there is Arsenal. They get at the end of the day, this Liverpool they will just get 1 or 2 injury back. They will just shall ask. Nothing is impossible. Even Chelsea, you get even Manchester United, they may not win it, but they will be spoilers. So a lot of things shall go happen. We'll just go forward. Now, away from that. And today I come hear say for the match we even play against Sunderland, only Madwike was very, very close to returning from injury, to making the Arsenal squad. But then na them Arsenal go and then decide say make them not to rush the guy. Make them free him because they don't want you saying come back from injury, he can't go back again. So Aston Attacker of the Madueke was close to making the match day squad against Sunderland on Saturday, according to the Evening Standard, that's the London Evening Standard. However, Gunners decided not to put him at risk as his recovery from the knee injury sustained at the Emirates in September continues. That is why I think it was the Machete of Sky Sports where they asked Ateta for the press conference ahead of this match. Where they say, he mentioned Madueke, he mentioned Odega, mentioned all of them. People say, are you saying all these people know go there available? I think I said, you never can tell. You never can tell. You can give us that mindset, say maybe somebody will come back. Sure, now this Madueke, now it be, but you good as the no one just risk am because international break dey come 2 extra weeks, so maybe just go flex. So that when he go come back for the North London derby, he will come back very, 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 very fresh. Yeah, so it make a whole lot of sense. Like I see what they are trying to do there. Now, away from that, now remember when I tell you the story of Atalanta coach Juric and Ademola Lookman when they get that issue. So today, I'm happy to tell you, say Atalanta don't sack the man. Now, we don't really know whether because of what happened between with Ademola Lookman, maybe Lookman tell and say, I don't go play for this manager. Like lie, I don't go play. Or maybe another reason, because according to what in the Athletic put out, they say this man, he oversaw just 2 wins from his 11 Serie A games at the helm. Again, having won just one of his 14 games, 14 matches in charge of Southampton last season. So I don't know what's the man the future, but the Coco be say they don't sack him. Get so at least Ademola Lookman go get the last laugh. Get and he go say, confirm get. So we could see the new manager who can go there. Normally, when new manager come, all things are passed away because all things become new. So everywhere go good for our darling Ademola Lookman. But I believe that will be what he wanted. Now, look at this particular report with ESPN UK put out. Edwin van der Sar, his Premier League record is safe after David Raya conceded against Sunderland. Now, this just shows how mad the Dutchman's numbers are. Now, what will be the record? So the court talk say Van der Sar played 1,311 minutes of Premier League football without conceding a goal. Raya was already on 451 minutes before Sunderland come bust net. Now, you see why now all these small things. Now they make many people they hope say we lose that our run. Say we know they concede. Get many people wanted it to end. John Terry himself talk and say in they watch our match. Say the way we in the see things. Arsenal won't break Chelsea record of 15 goals with them concede in a season. So when the thing they make them uneasy, they know like in mind they are when they fear any shake you get. So many people get their own vested interest on Arsenal, you get, but no while at least now everything don't spoil. Make everybody just calm down. Make they come on the pressure. Make they know you look our side again, right? Maybe that's the right thing to do. Everybody face their own business. Now, this particular story, when I saw it, I was very, very happy because they couldn't let us know say Jack Wilshere for this new club when they manage now, Luton Town, say he don't win 4 matches in a row. He win Northampton, he win Brighton on 21, he win Forest Green, he win Stockport County. Like, I think very, very happy for the guy, which means the work we learn from for us now under Ateta hand, he really learned it very, very well. Because look at what he's doing. He's putting out fantastic numbers, and I'm impressed. All right, so let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So they are calling you to come and join them and provide support to the Super Eagles. So if you're interested, say you want to join them, you contact Prince Ademola Alawade on 00341 5314, and they are on IG, that's Instagram, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. They are also on Facebook, Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So make you do reach out to them if you are interested in supporting Super Eagles both locally and internationally. Just contact them. Many people don't reach out to me. I see they share the number, give them. Okay, so normally if you get interest, make you no waste time. Make you contact them. Now, another message you'll get here now from Mr. Uche. We get this Toyota RAV4. This is a 2007 model, an American spec car, Tokumbo car, 6-cylinder engine, 5-seat capacity. The mileage is 110,225 kilometers. The location of this car, Lagos City, and it is very, very affordable. 10 million naira for anybody who is interested. Contact Mr. Uche on WhatsApp +234 7038869 667. So the number there at the bottom of the screen. So don't waste time. Yet. So if you're interested, the other pictures of the car, this is the engine, and this is also another picture. So if you get interest, make you know waste time, contact him on WhatsApp ASAP. All right. So away from that, so Nana Akoli here say Liverpool don't contact the PGMOL. So they get concerned about that goal wey dem disallow, that Van Dijk goal. They say whether that goal they're supposed to disallow am, they don't really know, because dem believe say if to say they equalize and it can be 1-1, the game would have been a different game. The momentum would have swung towards Liverpool side. Na their own mindset with that. So we need more clarity. What we hear within the FA go tell them, you get. At the same time, we still dey wait for the meeting wey Arsenal do today concerning that Sunderland billboard, because the Daily Star reported it, the Sun reported it after Richard Keys don't talk about that. So many people say report am today, but we never know what they really do for the meeting. So with time also, they expect something to come out of that. Now, away from that, we only get the timeline of when Arsenal players who don't go injured will come back. Yes. So when you look at the London Evening Standard reports of Victor Gyökeres, Kai Havertz, Tony Madueke, Odegaard, Martinelli, I read through everything. Yes. So when you check Gabriel Martinelli, the timeline where they give him to come back now November 23 against Tottenham Hotspur. When you look at Kai Havertz, the timeline November 23 Tottenham Hotspur. When you look at Odegaard, also you look at all the lenses when they talk about Odegaard, the timeline also now this November 23. Say na then he will come back. Yes. When you look at Noni Madueke, I no go lie for you, now still that 23. When you look at Gyökeres, almost all our players now that's not London derby. That is why when they ask Ateta for the press conference, say when all these guys will come back, after the international break, you know, one just talk say yes, all of them go there because say yes, like some are supposed to be available. Okay, look at Noni Madueke. Now we're supposed to come back against Sunderland, obviously. As they know Russia, if they can't give at least extra time, he's supposed to come back against this Tottenham Hotspur not London derby. Odegaard, that one is just give him free time, say Baba rest, make your recover. That one, all things being equal, supposed to come back. But in all of all these players, the most important will really affect our style of play. That be Gyökeres. Once I just say Gyökeres don't come back, but by any other person, let me they come back, let me they don't come back. That Gyökeres is the key. Because that Sunderland match, those who feel say maybe the guy don't do well, at least he clear for everybody eye, right? Nobody will dispute say no they contribute to get. But we see the way they gang bank transfer, the gang bank because no space, no road, they know the type person. So at least it don't clear. So we'll just watch and see how things go unfold at the end of the day. Hopefully, all things being equal, they will come back. Now, this player when they play for Chelsea, he gets this Fernandez, Enzo. So you could talk say he really like Declan Rice. In fact, they say when you are the best in the world in your position, everybody want to learn from you. Because he like Rice from England. So I try to watch and learn. When I read this thing, I was like, this is they say Casado is a better player than Declan Rice. Why not they learn from Casado that? Why can't leave your Casado got us in a Rice? You won't call learn from, right? So well, it good. No, we know they hide updates. Get may learn from Declan Rice. No share the watch and we get. So when person pass you now, before guy, when person pass you, at least okay. This one are my senior, yeah. So no issue there. Now, did you know that now we with the international break? Brazil national team, they use the Emirates Stadium and our training grounds. They prepare for the friendly match they won't play for the Emirates Stadium. I don't know around their way. Not be free shower. I know so they will pay us now for using our facilities. Yes, and it makes sense. Now, extra way of us generating revenue. Yes, so it make a whole lot of sense. Yeah, which means big gap itself go dey there and now in house now I'm going to show them. Say, okay, see your total day. Okay, see this one. Go see that one. Now in house dey. Yeah, so normal level. Now, let's bring you another message from another of our sponsors, Mobile World Associates and Co-Limited, to the into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80 and they're located at number 7 Kenilworth Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the night. Now, if I say Pep, they talk say finally. Arsenal don't drop points. Say the title race, it don't day on now. So more just the CI they go. Don't forget, we are still 4 points ahead of Manchester City. Yes. So, and we dey enter a very, very tough patch now. Playing tough games. Man City are going to be playing easy games on paper, but we know say easy games on paper fit no come turn to easy game. That one's FD. But I think that's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. Then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Good night. All right, guys. Ciao.